Madam, there's a oh yes.
Other side again. Slowly.
No, don't go completely. Just keep the head. Yeah. Don't go into the tree.
So we have concluded the shoot. This shoot was really special. Shooting into the farmland of Kutch, Jeera farm, and shooting Ragini in local attire with a tattoo that symbolizes Indian symbols. And she had a tattoo done by Vasundhara that symbolizes Indian culture on all over her. So we want to show the culture, the fusion of costume, people, farm, nature, and the meaning behind it. And you will soon discover it once the shoot is live.